Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. In the last video we have discussed the forgot password. Now we are going to discuss about the reset password. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So here we go with this email. So let's go to the backlist, and here we have the reset password, forgot password. So here we go with this one. So this is the URL that we are going to use. Okay, so let's add this for the put request. Okay, let's try to hit it. Here we require for resetting the password, that is request.body.password. So we require the password. Okay, the new password. Okay, if any something went wrong, it will go with the in the catch block. Okay, then we are going to send the token response. Okay, then we are going to save this user and then send token response with token. Okay, that is validated, right? Let's have a look of that one. Otherwise, if you once the password reset, then definitely you have to redirect to the login screen, or with the help of the token you can redirect to get fetch the details of that user. With the help of this you can do that, right? So let's try to send it, and here we require the password that we have to update. Okay, so here we go with the password. Okay, so the password would be, I'm going to add it, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, let's try to update this. Okay, that means updated. And this is the user that we have, this one. This is the user email. Let's try to log in with the password if it is updated or not. So let's log in. So here we go with the login one. So I'm going to add this email over there, and let's try to log in with the previous password. Okay, it's because we have already changed the password, right? So let's try to log in invalid credential because the password is not that one, because we have reset it. So 789, we have, this is the new password. Let's try to send it. Password is set properly. Let's have a look on the code. So this is the reset password with the put request, and this is the code for the reset password with the crypto create hash. Okay, update request.param reset password. So the reset password token, that would be also there in our db also. So let's take a look of that one. Okay, so currently here you can see everything is removed from this one because we have already set the password. Once the password is set, then reset token and the expire would be undefined, and save that user, and then we are going to do call the same function with returning the token and the success true. Done. So this is done for resetting the password. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. I think something we have missed or not. Let's have a look. Let me go back to the auth. Okay, so reset password, anything, I think no, we haven't missed anything. Okay, so yeah, that's it. Have a great day. Thank you so much for watching this video.